The OEMTOOLS Harmonic Balancer Installer Kit is designed to properly install a harmonic balancer without causing damage. This kit includes 9 thread adapters to fit most vehicles. Let's get started. Apply lubricant to the sealing surface of the harmonic balancer. Align the keyway on the harmonic balancer with the Woodruff key on the crankshaft. Press it into place by hand so the balancer fits onto the crankshaft with a snug fit. Select the adapter that matches the threads of the harmonic balancer retaining bolt. Press the adapter into the end of the jack screw. Thread the bolt through the jack screw to tighten the adapter into place. Thread the jack screw assembly into the crankshaft. Place the pressure bearing over the jack screw and slide it until it contacts the harmonic balancer. Thread the jack screw nut over the jack screw by hand until it contacts the pressure bearing. Use a wrench to hold the jack screw in place and use a second wrench to rotate the jack screw nut. Tighten it securely. Do not use air tools or power tools. Remove the jack screw nut and pressure bearing. Remove the jack screw assembly.